Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. In last video we learned about pivot table in detail. And today, in this video, we will learn about VLookup. VLookup is used when we need to find things in a table or arrange by row. For example, look up a price of an automotive part by the part number. Or find an employee name based on their employee ID. Or products based on their prices. It is very difficult to manage a large sheet manually. But by the use of VLookup we can easily manage a large sheet. Let's start. Open Microsoft Excel. To use VLookup function, we need some data. Let's create sheet of grocery store. First column is product number. Second column is product name. Third column is category. Fourth column is quantity. And fifth column is price. These are our headings. Fill color on these headings. Now add data in every column. Select all data and align center. Sheet is completed. Let's learn about VLookup. As you know, this is very large sheet. There are 100 plus products. It is difficult to find single product from this sheet. To look a single product we will use VLookup function. Let's create a separate table, where we implement the VLookup. First of all, write any product name here. And here write price. Now write any product name below the product name. And now below the price. Write equals VLookup and in small braces. Select that cell where you write product name. And now write comma. And now select whole data. Now I want to find price of any product. Write the column number of price. My column number is 4. And now write comma. And now write 0 or 1. 1 is true, it is approximate match. And 0 is false, that is exact match. We need exact match. So write 0. And close the braces. Press enter. You can see price of selected product is showing here. You can also add drop down list here. To add drop down list, select a cell. And on the functional bar, click on data. Now click on data validation. And select list from here. Now give the source to list that you want to add in list. I want to add all product name. So I am selecting all name. And press enter. Drop down list is added. And all the names are added in this drop down list. Now here is the price of per kg or a single product is showing. If your customer purchase more than one product, you can also add the formula that can automatically generate the calculations. For example, price of 1 kilogram apples is $50. If your customer purchased 10 kilograms apples, it will automatically generate total price. Now add the column of quantity. And here write equals. Select quantity cell. And multiply it with price. And press enter. You can see bill is generated. You can also add the category of product here. Select a cell where you want to add category. And write equals VLookup. Select cell of product. And both column product name and category. Now category is on the second number. So write 2 and write 0. Close braces and press enter. You can see category of product is also showing. We can look any single entity from thousands of data by the help of VLookup. This is very useful feature and function of Microsoft Excel. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you got the solution, please like and share this video to others. And if you have any question and suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you.